Right, are we ready? Cool.
General knowledge. Aiden's busy, guys.
Go!
Hi guys, welcome back to Associates, and today we'll be doing general knowledge course.
Are you sexy back? Hey.
I sell bomb.
Okay. Capital cities, not the capital. Name the capital cities of Cape Town. I mean.
Brown skin girl, your skin just like pearl.
My nigga!
I'm gonna ask each of you one by one a question, right? There's gonna be a timer of 2 minutes. I'm gonna ask you a question.
2 minutes for the question.
2 minutes, no, 2 minutes. It's just gonna run down. I'm gonna ask all of you a question. Right, so 2 minutes will run. I'll ask Aiden your question, then John Lee your question, like that. You get me? Okay. At the end, person with the least amount of questions correct is out.
He's out.
Until the last person is left. Understandable, easy, simple. No, we're not voting. We see you as the least, and you're gone. Okay?
Yeah, and you.
Yeah, you're gone. Okay, ready?
Wait, what?
I'm gonna ask you, and then John Lee, and then Aiden, and after and so on. Right, 3, 2, 1. Aiden, where does the president of the US live?
The White House.
Washington DC. So that's incorrect. John Lee, what is the largest brass instrument in an orchestra?
The largest what?
Brass instrument.
A cello.
It's incorrect. It's a tuba. Tanman, which country does Parmesan cheese come from?
Italy.
That's correct. Correct. What is the name of the highest mountain in Africa? Well done. Kiwan, what type of tree do dates grow on? Dates. What type of tree do dates grow on? You can pause, right? Blessing. What are the colors? What are the colors of the 5 Olympic rings?
Black, green, blue, gold, and white.
That's
Red.
right.
Come on, is wrong.
But that was a fact.
I'll give it to you. Aiden, how many holes are there in a standard 10-pin bowling ball? That's correct. John Lee, what letter is located between E and T on a computer keyboard? That's correct. Sandman, how many cards are there? How many cards are there in a complete pack of cards?
24.
That's incorrect. It's 52. Pairing. What is the only US state that starts with the letter P?
Pennsylvania.
That's correct. Keyword. Who presents Harry Potter with a sticky chocolate cake with green icing on his 11th birthday?
Bumblebee! Armani!
Hagrid. Blessing. Is hot air lighter or heavier than cold air?
The drivers, so we just like it.
That's correct. Aiden. What is 0.75 as the lowest possible fraction? That's correct. John Lee, how many hours are there in 7 days? That's time, but I'll give it answer the question.
163.
That's correct. Well done, John Lee. Yeah, that's time. That's time.
You know what I was thinking? I thought you asked how many hours in a day.
So the most. Huh?
I have 2, right?
You have 2?
Questions. He has 0.
So Q and
I have 1.
You're the only one with 0.
You didn't ask what state goes B. He lives in the White House, man.
Guys,
you
I
don't
don't
know.
know.
I can't give you that.
Me and Ten are on 0.
That is standard. It's not on 0. You're not on 0. Right?
I have 2, right?
Yeah. Anyway, Keyword, unfortunately, you're gonna have
Okay,
to.
out. Yeah.
You're unfortunately you're gone.
I didn't even know you
Unlucky.
I got
Next.
Yeah. So okay, are we ready?
So
The next-
next out now.
Yeah. So they're out now.
Nice.
Right. So the next. Huh?
Let's get blessing up.
Next 2 minutes starts Now, Aiden, what color do you get if you mix blue and yellow paint?
3.
That's correct.
Oh, yo.
Charlie, in which American city is the Statue of Liberty? That's correct. That man, global warming is caused by too much of which type of gas?
Carbon dioxide.
That's correct. Bering, how do you say hello in Spanish?
Oh, yo. Bonjour.
That's incorrect. Blessing, what type of metal? Blessing, what type of metal makes the strongest magnets? You don't know? Okay, pause. The answer is iron. Aiden, what year did the Second World War start?
1942.
That's
No,
very close but
1940.
incorrect. 1939. John Lee, what is the largest Scandinavian country? What is the largest Scandinavian country? That's incorrect. That's Sweden. Tell man, how many leaves does a shamrock have?
What?
Take a guess.
3.
That's correct. Very What type of gas do plants absorb from the atmosphere?
Oxygen.
It's carbon dioxide. Blessing, how many strings does a violin have? 4 is the correct answer. Aiden, how many years are there in a century?
How many?
Years are in a century. That's correct. John Lee, which continent does India belong to? That's the correct answer. David, how many zeros are there in 100,000?
5.
That's the correct
Yeah,
answer.
no, what?
Correct. In the fairy tale Cinderella, what does Cinderella leave behind at the ball?
Glass shoe.
I'll give it to you. It's a glass slipper. Yeah. Right. Blessing. Which continent is the Sahara Desert located? That's the correct answer. Aiden, parrots, pelicans, and cockadoos are all types of what?
Birds.
That's the correct answer, and that's time. Goodness me. No, Padding.
Oh, yeah.
At the least, so unfortunately, Jared Padding, you're gone.
I watched
Right. The next 2 minutes, Aiden, be ready. Don't complain. Relax, you're still in. Relax. 2 minutes starts now. Which of the following names does not belong to a famous singer? Katy Perry, Ed Sheeran, Lady Rara.
Lady Rara.
That's correct. Which two colors make up the flag of Spain? John Lee? Yellow and red is the correct answer. Taman, which Disney character has a nose that grows longer every time he tells a lie?
Pinocchio.
That's correct. Blessing, true or false? Antarctica is the coldest continent in the world. That's the correct answer. Aiden, how many days are there in May?
In May.
31 is correct. John Lee, what number must be added to 67 to get 114?
57.
That's incorrect. It's 47.
No,
Sandman,
it's
47 is the answer.
14.
Sandman, which two artists released the song? Okay, that's time, but I'll give you this question. Which two artists released a song in 2019 called I Don't Care? No.
What? This one.
5, 4, two artists.
I got to behind this question.
Two artists released a song, collaborated on a song called I Don't Care. What are their names?
Just two different artists.
No, what are their names?
I don't care.
Yeah. 3, not that song.
Win.
2019.
2019. 3,
Chop my boy.
2, 1, your final answer?
Chop my boy.
I can't give you anything. That's Ed Sheeran and Justin Bieber. So,
See that?
the least.
Don't care.
I'm not out.
Right, so, Taman, you had the list, did you not? You don't have the list, I saw you had the list.
Now listening is basic.
No, it's you. It's Taman.
Wow.
Caesar.
That's really not.
Let's have a recap.
Losing. Wow.
Where is there?
It is Taman, exactly. Wow.
Away ka na nga, nothing na lang. Di man siya pala.
Oh my goodness.
So, next.
Okay, here we go.
The final countdown.
Ready?
That's Johnny also, man.
Okay. Aiden, let's start. The timer starts in 3, 2, 1. Aiden, which country is Berlin the capital of?
Germany.
That's the correct answer. John Lee, true or false? 25% and 1/4 are the same. That's the correct answer. Blessing, true or false? The Sahara Desert is the smallest desert in the world. That's the correct answer. Aiden, how many months of the year end with the letter H?
H.
November.
1.
That's the correct answer. John Lee, how many consonants are there in the English alphabet?
How many what?
Consonants.
Fuck, see.
Correct. 21 is the answer. Blessing. How many millimeters are in 1 centimeter? That's the correct answer. Aiden, which of the following is the odd one out? Apple, carrot, parsnip, broccoli.
Apple.
That's the correct answer. John Lee, what is the name of the largest rainforest in the world?
That thing in the Rio de Janeiro.
The name? Hey, Q1. Three.
Rainforest.
That's the Amazon. Blessing. Which famous girl band released a song called Bounce Back in 2019? It's a little mix. Aiden, which of the following materials is a type of metal? Gold, glass, or resin?
Gold.
That's the correct answer. John Lee, Sydney is the largest city of which country? That's correct. Blessing, what is 1/2 as a percentage?
Come again?
1/2 as a percentage.
1/2. 50%.
That's the correct answer.
What did you say?
Aiden, 50%. Aiden, what type of animal is Hagrid's pet, Fluffy, in Harry Potter?
A cat.
That's incorrect, it's a rabbit. John Lee, which planet is also famously known as the Red Planet? That's correct answer. Blessing, what is the name of the ocean that separates North America from Europe?
Northern Africa. I mean, Northern Atlantic.
It's the Atlantic Ocean, and that's time.
The same Atlantic.
Either way, John Lee is eliminated. You are eliminated. You got
You got 1 wrong.
you got 1 wrong. That's the first one you got wrong.
You didn't skip one. He paused two. He paused two. He paused one and he got one wrong.
None of the Atlantic, I'm giving it to you. Technically speaking, it's correct.
Please come.
The transatlantic flight, I know that.
Thank you. It's not an Atlantic.
So, John Lee, you
I
are
was 1 wrong. I was under 200 until this. It's extra.
eliminated. So for this round, the final round is not going to be a timer. Each person's going to get 5 questions. Whoever gets more out of 5 wins. I think that's fair. Okay. Blessing, I think we'll start with you this time. Okay.
Are you asking 5?
I'm going to ask you 5. However many you get right, Aiden has to try and beat. Are we ready?
Yep.
Right. Blessing.
Yep.
Question 1.
Yep.
What is the name? Oh, sorry. In which country is Mount Everest located?
Kenya.
That's incorrect. It's Nepal. So that's okay. The answer is Nepal. Nepal.
Nepal.
So that's 0 out of 1. Blessing. Question 2. Which day is Valentine's Day celebrated on?
45.
That's the correct answer. Well done. Well done. That's 1 out of 2. What is the name of Prince William's wife? That's incorrect. That's Prince Harry. That's Prince Harry's wife.
What's the wife's name?
The wife's name is Catherine.
She's clean.
Catherine.
Okay.
So that's 1 out of 3. 2 questions remain. Blessing. How many equal sides does an isosceles triangle have?
Oh, 3. 2.
Wow! Why are you listening to him? You should know this. Oh my days. That's 1 out of 4.
1 out of 4, man. Let's
Yeah.
go, man.
Last question, Blessing. What word beginning with the letter L is the name of a hot liquid that erupts from a volcano? Lava. That's the correct answer, Blessing.
Didn't you say in with a letter L?
Start with the letter L.
Still love you.
That's Aiden, are you ready?
A US size, medium, made in USA.
Aiden, question 1 out of 5. What is the biggest animal in the world?
Blue whale. Oh, you knew that.
No.
Yes.
That's the correct answer.
No, it's the blue
The blue
whale.
whale is
The
the largest animal. What says here is the blue whale. So well done, Aiden. That's 1 out of 1. Right. Aiden, which country is brie cheese from?
What?
Brie cheese. Which country is it from?
Spain.
That's the incorrect answer. The correct answer is France. Brie cheese. So that's 1 out of 2. Okay. Question number 3. What is the capital city of Iceland?
Iceland. Vlog.
What's your question? Your answer, sorry?
I don't know.
You pause. Are you pausing? The answer is. What did you say, Perry? You got it right. Well done, Perry. Wow! Wow!
Wat tadi kan?
That is how much? 1 out of 3. 1 out of 3.
Aaron.
Tell me,
I'll keep quiet.
who painted the Mona Lisa?
Leonardo da Vinci.
That is the correct answer. That is the correct answer. Okay, that's 2 out of 4.
Was also gonna say Capital.
Wow, that's 2 out of 4.
Congratulations.
So, if Aiden gets this, he wins. If he doesn't, it's a draw. Aiden, final question. Are we ready? Which planet is closest to the sun?
Mercury.
Aiden's won the game! Well done, Aiden! And that's that. Let's say unlucky, lad.
Aiden, a winner of another.
Wow!
I'm feeling like the big brown.
Well done, Aiden.
Thank you guys for watching.
Anyways, thanks to Associates. We'll see you guys next time.
Like, comment, and subscribe.